Principles of art and design are the inherent qualities that guide the choice and arrangement of every element within a masterpiece. Beyond mere aesthetics, artists design their works by controlling and ordering these principles, creating a visual logic that dictates how we perceive the final work. To understand these principles is to possess the tools necessary to assess, evaluate, and judge a work of art. While some overlap or oppose one another, each serves as a vital pillar of the composition. The foundation of this visual grammar includes balance, whether through symmetry or harmony, and proportion, which dictates the relationship between the parts and the whole. We see movement and rhythm often paired with pattern to create a sense of kinetic energy. The artist must manage the tension between variety and unity, seeking a sense of coherence and homogeneity, while emphasis and limitation to command the viewer's attention. More complex still are concepts like tension and eurythmy, a sophisticated combination of harmony, proportion, and movement that brings a work to its highest state of refinement. Whether a principle is viewed as ideal or irrelevant, its presence is not accidental. It is the intentional application of these rules that transforms a collection of elements into a singular, powerful vision. The power of a work lies not just in what is seen, but in the invisible laws that govern its arrangement. Discover more at cgallerynewyork.com.